The rottener the banana, the more precious it is. Those who know will keep it, those who don't will regret it for the rest of their lives. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Bananas are sweet, easy to eat, and cheap, so they have long been a familiar friend in every kitchen. However, if you are careless in preserving them, yesterday's golden bananas can quickly turn into soft, ugly ones that no one wants to touch. At this stage, the banana flesh has begun to produce substances that are not good for health and should absolutely not be eaten. Many people often throw away overripe bananas. What a waste! Because those seemingly useless bananas can become treasures, helping you cleverly solve many household chores in surprising and effective ways. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. Trap cockroaches with bananas and flour. Prepare one ripe or overripe banana. Peel the banana, put the banana flesh in a bowl. Use a fork to mash the banana flesh. Add flour to the mashed banana. Add baking soda and mix well. The mixture is now thick, sticky, and has a sweet, aromatic smell that is very attractive to cockroaches. Put the mixture in a small bowl or plastic lid. Place it in places where cockroaches often appear, corners of cabinets, under the kitchen, bathrooms, etc. Cockroaches will be attracted to the smell of bananas and eat the mixture. When baking soda enters the stomach, it will react, slowly killing the cockroaches. Method 2. Repel mosquitoes with bananas and garlic. Prepare one ripe banana. The softer and more fragrant the banana, the better. Peel the banana. Then mash the ripe banana. Peel the garlic. Mash or chop it. Put the garlic in a bowl of mashed banana. Mix the garlic with the mashed banana. Put the mixture in a glass jar. Cover with plastic wrap. Poke a few small holes so the smell spreads slowly. Place in a corner of the room near the window, balcony, or where mosquitoes often fly in. The mixture emits a characteristic smell from fermented bananas plus a lysine essential oil in garlic, making mosquitoes uncomfortable and stay away. The mixture is effective for 1 to 2 days. This method helps repel mosquitoes but does not kill them completely. You should combine it with hanging mosquito nets, using mosquito nets on windows, keeping the house clean, not letting water stagnate. Method 3. Make organic fertilizer for plants. First, peel the banana. The banana flesh inside is soft, fermented, and has a lot of mold. If the banana is moldy on the outside or overripe, but the flesh still looks delicious, I advise you not to eat it because the inside may be infected with mold that is invisible to the naked eye. It may contain a large amount of bacteria that are growing. If eaten, it will irritate the digestive tract, leading to symptoms such as stomachache, diarrhea. So, it is best not to eat it anymore, but do not throw it away. Peel it and prepare a plastic bottle like this. If you have a suitable container at home, you can replace it. Do not use a fragile glass bottle. My bottle is quite large, so I will cut it at this position. When cutting, pay attention to safety. Trim the edge of the bottle to avoid scratching your hands. Then, put the rotten banana in. The more rotten the banana is, the softer and easier it is to mash. Break the banana into short pieces, then use a pestle or any tool to mash it. Not use a fragile glass bottle. My bottle is quite large, so I will cut it at this position. When cutting, pay attention to safety. Trim the edge of the bottle to avoid scratching your hands. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Crush it to this level. Next, add water to the bottle, but do not fill it up. Stir well to mix the water and banana flesh together. The purpose is to use the water to incubate and ferment the rotten banana flesh. Then, cover the mouth of the bottle with plastic wrap and leave it in a dry place for a week. The banana flesh is rich in protein, fat, vitamins, and other nutrients, so we can use the fermented banana to fertilize plants and flowers grown indoors. During the fermentation process, open the plastic wrap a little every 3 days to release the gas because the banana will create gas. If the air escapes, the water may overflow. If done correctly, the solution will not overflow. We see the solution separate into 2 layers, a layer of milky white water below and a layer of banana flesh above. The floating banana contains a lot of air bubbles due to the fermentation process. When all the gas has escaped, cover it tightly and continue fermenting for enough time. After 7 days of fermentation, open the plastic wrap. The water layer is more, the banana layer is thinner. Remove the banana layer on top. The remaining water is filtered through a sieve with large holes to remove the banana pulp. Next, prepare a spray bottle to water the plants. Pour the filtered solution into the bottle. Because this solution has a high concentration, it should not be watered directly but should be diluted with clean water in a 1:1 ratio. Add water to dilute, then cover and shake well. Now it can be used to water the plants. We often grow plants and flowers at home and need to fertilize them for them to grow well. If not taken care of, the flowers will not bloom beautifully. Use this solution to spray the garden. Your small garden will be filled with brilliant flowers. Banana water contains a lot of calcium, providing abundant nutrients for the plants. After a period of use, the plants will be greener. However, you should only water once or twice a week, not every day, to avoid overuse. Soaking banana water also helps adjust the pH of the soil, supporting favorable plant growth, especially for plants that prefer acidic environments. This method is simple, economical, and very practical. If you have friends who grow plants at home, please share how to compost rotten bananas to water the plants. Thanks to that, you do not need to buy fertilizer, but the plants still grow well. The effect is equivalent to flower fertilizer, even better. The video sharing about the uses of rotten bananas ends here. If you have any comments, please leave a comment below. If you find the video useful, please give me a like and don't forget to share it with your relatives and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye and see you in the next video.